everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, let's talk about how to say later on I will do something, or in the future I will do something, or in 5 minutes I will call you, or I will do something else. Okay, so let's get started. So the first one, let's introduce how to say later on or in a while. So in Chinese we call it 一会儿, 一会儿. So 一会儿, and then you can say I, so subject, want to, 想, and then thing that you would like to do, which is a verb and an object. Okay, so let's try. I want to go for swimming. So 一会儿我想去游泳. Okay, 一会儿我想去游泳. So let's check next one. Let's give it a little bit more elements in the sentence. Let's say later on I want to go with my friends to play basketball. And that will be 一会儿我想 and then with my friend 和我的朋友 and then 一起 means together, so together plus the verb, which is 去打篮球 go play basketball. The go part, it is optional, so let's try one more time. 一会儿我想和我的朋友一起去打篮球. Okay, let's try later on. I want to eat Chinese food. So that would be 一会儿我想吃中国菜. 一会儿我想吃中国菜. Okay, so for these parts that you only need to substitute the verb that you would like to use, and the rest of sentence stays exactly the same. Okay, so let's try to turn this sentence into a negative form. So later on, I don't want to go to the library. So let's say 一会儿我不想去图书馆. So 图书馆, it is library. Well, from our affirmative sentence is that you need to add a 不 in front of 想. So don't want. 不想, 不想. Okay? So this is 不想. Then let's see next one. Let's try to turn the sentence into a question. So, you may have heard that in order to turn an affirmative sentence into a question, that the only thing that you need to do it is add a ma, this particle, in the end of the sentence. So that will be 你一会儿想去图书馆吗? So later on, do you want to go to library? Question mark. Okay, so this is fine. Then let's try another verb here. Let's say later on I'm going to the company, and that will be 一会儿我想去公司. If I want to say I'm going to company to work, so my purpose to go to company is to work, then this verb work, I put it in the end of the sentence, and that will be 一会儿我想去公司, and then to do what? 工作. Okay, 工作 is to work. Okay, so this is fine. Then let's try a few more phrase or small terms that we can use in order to indicate like in a while, in some time, like in the future. So the first one is 5 minutes later, and that will be 5分钟. 5 minutes, 分钟 is a full version of minute, and then 以后 in the future, in a while, 以后 or after. So this one together means in 5 minutes, and also you can remember it as 5 minutes later or 5 minutes after. Okay, so 以后 is a full version. You can also use 后 on its own. So that will be two ways. 5分钟以后 or 5分钟后. And then you can continue our previous sentence like I would like to go somewhere. So let's say I would like to go to the park and have a walk. So this one it will be 5分钟以后. So in 5 minutes later, in 5 minutes, I want to go to a park. 我想去公园. And then to do what? To have a walk. 散步. 散步. Okay? So all together, 我5分钟以后想去公园散步. Okay? Okay, so that is everything for this video. It is a part 1. For the second video, we're gonna continue talk about the word 以后, which is in the future, after, or later on. This is a quite important word. So, see you in my next video. Bye bye!